I'm Marissa Roberts, and I'm here with a simple tip that's going to make your business better. Okay, so there are 3 tricks to sell more on autopilot. We've already talked about the basics of making more sales, and if you want to watch that video, you can go ahead and click in the link below. But today, we're talking about autopilot sales. This is what you do when you kind of got the hang of making some sales already in your business, but you'd really like to up your income level. There are 3 things you need to focus on here. Number 1, think in terms of upsell. Someone's going to buy something from you, but you know what? Maybe you have a slightly larger version of that's even more value that they'd like instead. When I go to the movies, they do this really well. I say I'd like a small popcorn and a small drink, and they say, hey, it's only 50 cents extra if you want to upgrade to a medium. Of course I want to upgrade to a medium. I'm sitting in the dark for 2 hours. I want to eat as much popcorn as I can, and I only want to pay a tiny bit more for it. Upselling is a really, really good way to increase the amount of every sale that you make. And over time, those little increases add up. But to your customer, they're not an inconvenience, they're actually a bonus. Number 2 is the cross-sell. When someone buys something, show them something else that goes well with it. So if they're buying a candle from your candle shop, sell them the candle snuffer. Snuffer? That thing that you put on top of the candles to turn them out so you don't have to blow them out? Anyway, cross-sell. Things that go well together. They're buying one, you offer the other, they end up buying both. McDonald's does this very well. You go in for a burger, you always end up with fries. Of course you do, because they mention it every time. In fact, I think you get in trouble if you don't mention it when you work at McDonald's. Number 3 is to bundle things together. This feels a little like a cross-sell. You're taking 2 things and you're putting them together, but it's actually more in terms of how you package it and the value that's involved with it. So at Beautifully Organized, I sell a decluttering course, I sell a meal planning course, I sell a home binder with printables, to make fancy to-do lists, that sort of thing. But every year I have a special sale where I package them all up as a bundle and I sell them for a crazy price. That's really, really too hard to refuse. It's so good. So if people have been on the fence wondering whether or not to purchase my products, that's the time they normally buy them because I've bundled them up together. It's a really big increase in value to your customer. And if you're selling digital products, passive income, it doesn't matter what you bundle together. It's no extra effort or work from you once you've set it up. So we upsell, we cross-sell, and we bundle. And that's how we make more sales on autopilot.